Have you ever thought how important it is to be able to read a book or a newspaper? Today, at least 2.2 billion people suffer from vision impairment or blindness. It's around 30% of the world's population. In most cases, you just need glasses. Some people need a simple low-cost surgery, and others need to be checked by a doctor regularly. Is there any way to use technology to help? Let me show you my prototype. This is my prototype. Inside there is a Raspberry Pi and one camera. I developed the Python code with an OCR and text-to-speech engine. This prototype is able to recognize text from an image and to read it by a speaker. In this case, I use this neck speaker. So I wanted to read this page. I wear my prototype and I put it on my glasses. Listen the voice from the neck speaker.
When stop talking, you'll know. PM dead. Useful stories from a persuasive man. Janie Wallerhouse. Why Cowan.
If you like this video, leave me a like. See you!